spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, our libraries, and our train rooms. You will find links to more information about each of the following products in the video description. This week's episode is once again brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by our friends at Amazon. And that's where you can find the new book, Electric Indiana, The Rise and Fall of the World's Greatest Interurban Railway Center by Carlos Arnaldo Schuantes. Featuring over 90 illustrations and featuring contemporary accounts and newspaper articles from the period, Electric Indiana is a biographical study of the rise and fall of a one-time important transportation technology that achieved its most impressive development within the Hoosier State. The book retails for $40 in hardcover or Kindle editions. Also new is Locomotives, the Modern Diesel and Electric Reference 3rd edition by Greg McDonald. Locomotives is the definitive photographic reference for the North American rail fan. It covers all mainline locomotive models built for North American railroads from the mid-1970s onward. This revised and expanded edition includes data on all the new locomotive models built from 2007 to January 2023. Containing 32 new pages and over 300 photographs of more than 120 models, this remarkable large format reference covers every major North American locomotive manufacturer, as well as North American passenger locomotives imported from Europe. Greg McDonald provides concise yet comprehensive information on each model, along with easy-to-read tables of production totals, build dates, and mechanical specifications. Check the link in the video description for pricing. Lionel Trains has released its 2023 Volume 2 catalog. Among the highlights in the traditional line are new editions of the classic Berkshire Steamer, GP7 diesels, a line of Looney Tunes licensed products, and a new boxcar series commemorating significant events in American history. Follow the link in the video description to view the entire catalog. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale GP9 diesel locomotive in Southern Pacific livery for the MTH retailer public delivery track. The locomotives, one of which will feature dynamic brakes, will be available in 2 unique cab numbers and in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis, with anticipated arrival date of October 2023. The early order price is $529.95 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale 4664 Challenger in U.S. Army livery for distribution for MTH retailer Stockyard Express. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in December 2023. The early order price is $1599.95 plus freight. And MTH Electric Trains has announced an O-Scale Union Pacific 4664 Challenger in special American livery for MTH dealer Train World in Brooklyn, New York. This locomotive will be available beginning in December 2023 with an early order price of $1399.99. And Christmas will be coming before you know it. If you need a new Lion Chief starter set for the little engineer in your life, regardless of age, check out this assortment of available sets on Amazon. Remember, this channel receives a small commission from qualifying purchases generated from these links, so you get the product you want and you support our channel at the same time. That's all for this week. Watch for our latest long-form video going live this Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And thanks for watching.